Hi guys, I'm back today with another video. I decided to do a fault line cake. I am using 6-inch cake rounds today with buttercream frosting. Now that I have my cakes all stacked, I am ready to do a crumb coat for my cake. I'm just making sure all gaps are filled, and then once I'm done with my crumb coat, I will place it in the refrigerator for it to set. Now that my cake is out, I can go ahead and start in the middle. I am using today pink, blue, and yellow. These are all faded colors that I am using. I decided to do a unicorn theme today. And then I'm just going to blend this all together. And I'm going to start with the top of my cake first before I work on the sides. Now onto the sides. And this is actually a request from one of the viewers, so thanks so much for giving me that suggestion. This is also the first time that I'm trying out a fault line cake, and so I wasn't really sure what to expect from making this cake. It was actually a little bit harder than I had expected as well also. And now I am just cleaning up the sides of my cake. I used an edible gold liquid, so I didn't have to mix the gold with anything. And now I'm just painting the gold onto my cake. Now, if you noticed, I did scrape some color from the middle of my cake just so that it's a little bit more vibrant, so you can see the color more. And this is it, guys. This is what my cake looks like. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I made this unicorn theme fault line cake. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.